The LG V20 user here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get dark mode on Chrome for Android. So if you guys want to have dark mode for Chrome on Android, follow these simple steps, and you guys will have dark mode on Chrome for your Android device. So you guys must follow these steps very carefully. It's really easy, simple, and no root is required, of course. So that is a win. So what you guys want to do is go to Google Chrome, or go to the search bar, type in Chrome, the two dots and the two forward slashes and flags. You guys click on that right there. It will bring you guys to this page right here. You guys must have Chrome 74 for this to work. Search dark mode here. Then you guys will have two options: Android web contents dark mode and Android Chrome UI dark mode. Enable both. Do that, and you guys will have to relaunch Chrome. It will ask you guys to relaunch now. So hit relaunch now, or it will relaunch Chrome for you. And now you guys will see, now I have a dark theme on my Chrome browser here for Android. Click on the home button, and it'll show you guys that I have dark mode across the board there. You guys also have an option to toggle dark mode on and off in the settings. You guys click on the dots, go to settings. I don't have it on. It's not showing it up for me, but if you guys do this, it should show up for you. But that's how you guys get dark mode. So let's go to any website that you guys go to will have a dark theme on it. So that's pretty cool. So go to YouTube or whatever. Go to YouTube. YouTube will be dark. See? So it's pretty nice there. So yes, it's pretty cool. You guys must have Chrome 74 for this to work. This only works for Chrome for Android, but you guys can try this for iOS as well on Chrome for iOS. You guys can try it there and see if it works. So there you guys have it, dark mode for Google Chrome for Android. That's worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.